back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the healthcare field. It is paying fairly well, anywhere from $20 to $30 an hour. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the healthcare company Prime Therapeutics. They are hiring an administrative assistant. This is remote for the United States. Now, I do want to go ahead and start off by saying this is going to require some phone work, so if you're not down for that, this might not be the fit for you. But they are basically looking for somebody to do all of the administrative duties. You'll answer telephones and screen incoming calls and communications. You'll answer questions and communications, both written and electronic, within the scope of your assigned responsibility. You'll forward on the more complex correspondence and questions to the appropriate department to handle those. You're going to independently handle a wide variety of general office procedures and administrative duties, such as setting up and maintaining filing systems, composing and proofreading documents, collecting and compiling data, and coordinating the flow of reports, invoices, and medical records. You'll maintain schedules and coordinate meetings with multiple staff members. You'll use those word processing and spreadsheet software like Microsoft Office to create presentations, and you will compose, prepare, and sign routine and non-technical correspondence in your own or supervisor's name. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. They're looking for somebody who has 4 years of some kind of administrative assistant experience, somebody who can type at least 40 words per minute, multitask, and meet deadlines. Of course, you got to know how to use those Microsoft Office programs, and somebody who will maintain sensitive and confidential information. Now, if this sounds like something you are interested in, again, pay for this position ranges based on experience and skills, anywhere from $20.36 an hour all the way up to $30.53 an hour. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.